Welcome to Q-risq Analytics. This video will guide you through the max winds map. To toggle the max winds map, select the max winds button in the bottom left of the screen in the black box labeled map layer. The color of the house indicates the expected category of max winds your registered property will receive. In the white pull-out window to the left, the speed and arrival time of the expected max winds your registered property will receive is displayed. Below that, in the Forecast Advisory section, is the storm's current location, direction of movement, wind speed and pressure. Click the button in the map layers table labeled Track and Cone to display the storm's track and strength. The storm's strength is indicated by letters at certain points on its track. The meaning of the letters is defined in the Current View Information section in the white pull-out window, as well as other information about the map. Thank you for joining us on this Q-risq web app demonstration.